students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, patterns. Complete the pattern by drawing dots. Also write the number of dots. You can easily do it, students. You have learned patterns in previous class also, right? A pattern is formed by repeating a unit, which may be a set of numbers or shapes according to a rule. Square numbers. Pattern of squares using dots can be made in two ways. Number one, Ayushri uses colored dots to make patterns of square as under. See, 1, 4, 9, 16. Count the number of dots in each square. The number of dots in each square names a square number, and this is so called because the dots are arranged in a square shape. A square number is obtained by multiplying the number by itself. See, this is 1 into 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, and 4 into 4 is 16. Okay. Now you can name the next two square numbers and draw the square patterns. So next two will be 5 into 5, 25, and 6 into 6, 36. And you can easily draw the square patterns. Okay. Number 2, Abhinav makes a square pattern as. Okay. Now the pattern of Abhinav is different. 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay. Now here the pattern is 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, here 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. So 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. Thus we observe, first square number is equals to first odd number. Second square number, sum of first two odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3. Third square number, sum of first three odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Fourth square number is equals to sum of four odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. Following this pattern, copy and complete Abhinav's table. Okay. Right. Now, what will you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will count only the odd number, 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 7 is 49. Okay. Similarly, you will do this. Without adding, can you name the sum of first 10 odd numbers? Okay. Without, you don't have to add. You just have to do what? Add first 10 odd numbers. Okay. First 10 odd numbers. Then what will be the sum? 10 into 10 is equals to 100. Okay. Triangular numbers. Triangular number pattern using dots can be made in two ways as given below. The number of dots in each triangle is known as triangular number. Number 1, Rohit uses colored balls to make a triangular pattern as. Count the number of balls in each triangle. 1, 3, 6 and 10. The numbers 1, 3, 6, 10 and so on are called triangular numbers as they show a triangular shaped pictures of dots. Right? Following the above pattern, draw the next two triangular numbers using dot. So students, you will follow the pattern which was in the previous page and you will draw here two triangular numbers using the dots, right? Number 2, Rita uses buttons to make a triangular patterns as 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Here there are continuous numbers, right? So we observe the pattern as first triangular number is 1 natural number, second triangular number is sum of first two natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2. Third triangular number is sum of first three natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. And fourth triangular number is sum of first four natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. Now, natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Write here the answer 10. Okay. Then here 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Similarly, you will add all these numbers. Okay. Now, see what happens if you add two consecutive triangular numbers. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 10, 16 and 10 plus 15 is equals to 25. These are making square numbers. Okay. We get a square number and adding two consecutive triangular numbers. Two consecutive means 1, 3, 6 and 10, 15. These are the triangular numbers, okay. Consecutive means which are in continuity, right. We get a square number on adding two consecutive triangular numbers. You can also clearly see the square numbers in a multiplication square. They lie on the diagonal line. See, these are the multiplication square numbers, okay. Now border pattern. In carpets, quills, floors, etc., we see border patterns, enhancing the original beauty. These border patterns are formed by repeating a certain shape or unit in one direction, following a basic symmetry which may be translation, vertical, reflection or horizontal reflection. For better understanding, let us take an example. Consider letter F as basic unit and shape it in a border pattern. Thus we can get the following patterns when F follows the different symmetries as F. This is a translation and this is vertical reflection. This pattern is horizontal reflection and this is also horizontal reflection, right? Another example is taking flag or this shape as the unit shape. The border pattern using the above three symmetries are, this is translation, vertical reflection and horizontal reflection, right? Now, tiling pattern. A tiling pattern is formed by the repetition of a single unit or shape. When repeated, fills the plane with no gaps and no overlaps. The most familiar examples of translation are the patterns by pairing stones or bricks and the cross a section of beehives. This wall is built using bricks of the same shape and size. The bricks fit together to form a repeated pattern. Okay, as you can see here. Are there any gaps between the bricks? Answer, no. Are they overlapping? No. As you can see, neither they are overlapping nor there is gap. Look at some more examples given below. Figure 1 and figure 2. Can you identify the unit shape used in each of these tiling patterns? This is the unit shape used to make the tiling pattern in figure 1 and this is the unit shape used to make the tiling pattern in figure 2. What can you say about patterns given below? Are they tiling patterns? If not, then why? No, because there are gaps, okay, and this one also not because the unit shapes is overlapping, okay. Tiling patterns are found in many objects around us, like you can find in window panes, you can find in floor tiles, you can find in carpets also. Multiple tiling patterns can be made using a single shape, say this is the shape, single shape and multiple tiling patterns we can form using this shape, right. Exercise 14.1. Taking this shape, that is triangle, as a basic shape, draw border patterns using, okay. So you have to use translation, horizontal reflection and vertical reflection, right. You will do it by yourself, right.